name is Stefan Min, and our teammate is Whitney Fu. So we are going to solve the business journey of Mojadat at .vn, and the situation here is the context of COVID-19 time and during the real estate industry. And Mojadat.vn is a big brokerage company and having with the difficulty with its recruitment process. So our recommend is build the recruitment marketing strategy and they apply AI-based applicant tracking system. So giving that the impact of improved candidate quality, better control of new employee source, and reduce operating costs.
First, we go over a short analysis of the market for real estate broker. Due to COVID-19, there was a harsh drop in volume of news posted related to the real estate market. The same is happening with level of interest in real estate. However, in the second quarter of 2020, both are increasing back to the level of starting point, and the rate of successful transactions through brokers increased slightly. All of these signal to a market recovery, which also means demand for broker will rise. Quick note about the broker market is that there are around 200,000 employees working and turnover rate is 80%. This means competition is fierce among the broker market. Despite the competition, our current recruitment process is inefficient and very traditional, resulting in a very low CV input. And continuing on our analysis, there is a lot of idle time between different stages of the process. Despite the extremely low input of 705, 51 CVs was unprocessed, probably missed out due to the errors from cumbersome process. The number of CVs being handled daily by the HR is also low, implying inefficiency. The inefficient process also results in a very worryingly low conversion rate. There were unnecessary steps across the process, which consumes a lot of time. Some of these steps even signal unprofessionalism, like salary renegotiation and unnotified tests. Lack of training is likely to be contributing to a number of applicants failing probation. All of these result in only 1.4% conversion rate. And an optimal solution for the current issues is recommended to be adoption of recruitment marketing as well as AI-based applicant tracking system, and short as ATS, to all of the 6 phases of recruiting process. Recruitment marketing means applying the concept of marketing to recruitment, treating applicants as our customers. This is much more effective and proactive than the traditional method, which is quite idle. This allows to facilitate awareness phase with engaging contents on good reaching channels. The consideration phase can start with broadening our offer to recruitment websites, and the right candidates can be further encouraged by relevant content published in to boost the interest phase. It is more important that we have a specific candidate personnel to spot most potential candidates rather than mass recruiting. Meanwhile, the application, the select, and the hiring phase can be facilitated with the application of the ATS. There are countless functions with which ATS can be used. It reports on the effectiveness and return on investment of each partner website, so we can choose only the effective ones. AI enhanced capability allows ATS to scan CVs of all those applying for our company and all those CVs posted on the partner websites, which fits our requirements to create a shortlist, invalidating the need for retracing. HR staff are notified whenever CVs are qualified and kept updated at the application status of each. These all means that we can extend targeting to more recruitment websites, as there is much less administrative work involved and room for errors. All relevant mailings can be personalized and automated on all phases to both applicants that pass and fail. Our tests can be carried out online, which means reduce cost and time involved. Likewise, interview process can be carried out online, a function integrated by the ATS. Besides greatly improving convenience for our applicants and reducing the time involved, this interview function offers more tools like recorder, on-the-spot assessment framework, as well as applicant score assignment. During the probation phase, it is suggested that we provide participants with training to improve their performance and morale. Like our own performance reporting system to keep track of the probationist's performance throughout, using feedbacks from different sources. This is expected to produce more objective and carefully considered decisions, potentially higher conversion rate.
The impact of these recommendations to our company, as shown on the slide, include improved candidate quality and better control of new employee source, and besides greatly reduce operating costs and time. Some KPI have been measured from the field of company utilizing ATS system as shown. So next slide, the implementation of our most important challenging improvement process in upcoming period, the AI-based ATS system.
is to be carried out in the timeline with 4 crucial steps of any change process: design, planning, change preparations, integration, and appraisal. So these are several risks involved, including security risk, system collapse, and lack of meaningful data. So we should make sure that to update our cyber security, tighten the block creation process, regularly maintain the whole system, and optimize the data filtering, and even consider purchasing external data.